Your engine isn't invincible, and most car owners are unknowingly destroying it every day. From tiny bad habits to overlooked maintenance mistakes, these 9 common behaviors can slowly ruin your engine. Today, we're revealing the habits you must stop immediately to save your car and avoid costly repairs. 1. Ignoring regular oil changes. Engine oil is literally the lifeblood of your car. It lubricates all moving parts, reduces friction, carries away heat, and keeps metal components from grinding against each other. Skipping oil changes allows old, dirty oil to become thick, contaminated with dirt, metal particles, and combustion byproducts, reducing its protective capabilities. Over time, this can lead to overheating, accelerated wear, and catastrophic engine failure. Imagine running a factory machine without lubrication. Your engine faces the same fate. Experts recommend changing oil every 5,000 to 10,000 miles, depending on your vehicle and type of oil used. Using synthetic oil for high mileage or high-performance engines can offer extra protection. Remember, fresh oil not only extends engine life, but also improves fuel efficiency and smooth driving performance. 2. Riding the clutch for manual cars. Many manual car drivers develop the habit of resting their foot on the clutch pedal or keeping it partially engaged, often unconsciously. This puts continuous stress on the clutch assembly and generates unnecessary heat, leading to faster wear. Over time, this causes clutch slippage, harder gear shifts, and expensive repairs. Even minor habits like keeping your foot slightly on the pedal at stoplights or while driving on inclines can reduce clutch lifespan. To protect your transmission, fully release the clutch when not shifting and avoid unnecessary contact. A well-maintained clutch ensures smooth gear transitions, prevents additional strain on the engine, and avoids costly repairs. Proper clutch habits make your driving safer, more comfortable, and extend the lifespan of multiple vehicle components. 3. Overheating the engine. Driving a car while the engine is overheating is one of the fastest ways to destroy it. Ignoring temperature warnings, driving aggressively in stop-and-go traffic, or continuing to push a hot engine can warp the cylinder head, damage gaskets, and even crack the engine block. Many drivers underestimate how quickly an overheating engine can fail. Regularly checking coolant levels, inspecting radiators, and ensuring fans and hoses are functioning properly is crucial. Additionally, addressing leaks promptly prevents overheating and avoids costly repairs. A proactive approach not only protects the engine, but also avoids being stranded on the road. Overheating doesn't just reduce performance, it can cause irreversible damage in minutes. Paying attention to temperature gauges can save thousands in repair costs. 4. Neglecting air filter maintenance. Your engine needs clean air to breathe, and the air filter plays a key role. A clogged or dirty air filter reduces airflow, forcing the engine to work harder, burn more fuel, and potentially overheat. Over time, this increases wear on internal components, reduces power, and can lead to engine damage. Many car owners forget this simple step, but replacing or cleaning the air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles or sooner in dusty or polluted environments ensures proper engine breathing. A clean air filter improves fuel efficiency, prevents carbon buildup, and prolongs engine life. Think of it as giving your engine fresh oxygen. It works more efficiently, produces less stress, and avoids long-term damage. 5. Frequently short trips. Short trips, especially during cold weather, prevent your engine from reaching optimal operating temperature. This causes condensation and fuel residue to mix with oil, forming sludge that reduces lubrication and increases wear. Over time, repeated short trips accelerate engine corrosion and damage. Combining errands or occasionally taking longer drives allows the engine to fully warm up, burn off moisture, and maintain performance. This habit is especially critical in winter months when engines take longer to reach the ideal temperature. Understanding that engines need proper operating temperature to function efficiently can prevent a slow but steady decline in performance. Small lifestyle changes in driving patterns can significantly extend engine life. 6. Ignoring warning lights. Dashboard warning lights are your car's first defense against engine damage. Lights for oil pressure, coolant temperature, or check engine indicate potential problems before they escalate. Ignoring these warnings is like ignoring smoke in a kitchen. it only gets worse. Even a small issue like a failing sensor can be an early sign of low oil pressure, coolant leaks, or other critical problems. Acting immediately when warning lights appear can prevent minor issues from becoming catastrophic failures. A proactive response protects the engine, saves money, and keeps your car reliable. Treat every warning light seriously. Your engine is trying to communicate before it's too late. 7. Using low-quality fuel. Using low-quality or cheap fuel may save a few dollars up front, but it can seriously damage your engine over time. Inferior fuel can contain impurities, water, or inconsistent octane levels, causing knocking, carbon buildup, and clogged fuel injectors. Modern engines are designed to run on specific fuel grades, and using anything lower compromises performance and longevity. Opting for recommended fuel and occasional fuel system cleaning or additives helps prevent internal engine damage. Think of your engine as a fine instrument. Poor quality fuel gradually degrades its performance, efficiency, and lifespan. Investing in proper fuel maintains smooth engine operation and avoids costly repairs. 8. Aggressive driving habits. Aggressive driving, hard acceleration, frequent high RPMs, sudden braking, and rapid gear changes puts extreme stress on the engine and transmission. Over time, this wears out pistons, valves, bearings, and other critical components. Smooth acceleration, steady RPMs, and anticipating stops reduces unnecessary strain on the engine. Beyond protecting your car, it also saves fuel and improves safety. Aggressive driving is not just a short-term thrill, it has long-term consequences for engine health and vehicle longevity. Treat your car carefully, and it will reward you with years of reliable performance. 9. Skipping routine. Maintenance. Routine maintenance is the backbone of engine longevity. Ignoring timing, belt replacements, coolant flushes, spark plug inspections, or transmission fluid changes allows small problems to escalate into major failures. Skipping maintenance may seem convenient, but it accelerates wear, reduces efficiency, and increases the likelihood of sudden breakdowns. Following your manufacturer's maintenance schedule ensures your engine runs efficiently, reliably, and safely. Think of maintenance as an investment in your car's health. Small, regular efforts prevent large, expensive repairs. Consistency and care now prevent frustration, high repair bills, and unexpected engine failure later. Conclusion. Your engine is a finely tuned machine, and even small habits can slowly destroy it over time. From ignoring oil changes to aggressive driving, short trips, or skipping maintenance. These 9 common mistakes cost drivers thousands in repairs every year. Stop these habits now, protect your engine, and extend the life of your car. Remember, your engine communicates with warning lights, temperature gauges, and performance feedback. Listen to it. A little attention today saves huge costs tomorrow. If you found this guide helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share with friends who might be unknowingly harming their engines. Drive smart, maintain regularly, and enjoy your car for years to come.